Everybody, it is Sunday, November 26th. This is Crypto Trader coming at you right now with a nice piece of information I just got wind of. Want to start looking into a new coin that's actually really, I would say it's one of the SegWit coins, and it's really closely related to Litecoin. And, I'm a Litecoin, I would say, I am a Litecoin trader. I'm a Bitcoin trader. And I just always wished Litecoin would move faster. And I think today I got my wish because there's a coin called Decred. Now I'm going to go ahead and refresh this page to update some of these values of these coins right here. Okay, Bitcoin's at $9,624. Ethereum's at $472. Bitcoin Cash is up 42% in the last 7 days. Dash is up 42% in the last 7 days. Those are some good numbers to look at. The last 7-day numbers, because these things trade like after 2 days. I mean, that's when you start really, I'm starting to notice, that's when I really see my evaluations come true. My price targets actually happen like after like 2 or 3 days, which is, normally I just want that stuff to happen like in the next hour, but Litecoin still hasn't went to 98. If you saw my price target call out was for $98 for Litecoin. It still hasn't even touched 90. So I'm kind of just sitting back. But the last 7 days it's went up 20%. Bitcoin's went up 19.86%. Let me see. Now what I want to look at and draw attention to is, and do some research live right now. It's a coin called Decred. No, where is Decred? There's Decred right here. It's 25. Now, these numbers right here, $66.15, up 79. I was born in the year 1979. But yeah, 79% in the last 7 days. The last 24 hours it's been up 37%. If you would invest $1,000, that's 37%. That's basically $37 in your pocket. I believe I said that right. Or no, I think that's that's $370. I'm sorry. Oh, I'm missing money. Because I like Decred. And we're going to go into some stuff about Decred. The market cap on this thing. Total coins. Circulating supply. Right here. Let me just go ahead and get into Decred. Let's go ahead and do this now. Also like Vertcoin too. But these are also, the Vertcoin is also a SegWit. And it's basically a Lightning network. And these are the coins that seem like they're making the greatest gains right now. This is done 14% in the last 24 hours, 30%. So let's go. What happened to that? These things are so small. Okay, here it is. Boom. All right, let's check it out. Let's do some purpose of the coin real quick. Let me see. Volume in the last 24 hours is 19 million. Just say 19.5 million. Total market cap right now is 400,000. Percent of the market is 0.13% of the market. Okay. This probably won't do any justice unless I go back and look at Bitcoin. I mean, there's a lot of people, they don't really know how to find this information, and this is some critical information. Like the circulating supply right now for Bitcoin is 16,700. That's how many coins are circulating right now. They also claim 4 million of these coins are lost and never to be found. Unless someone finds out how to find it. And that's a finder for you. There's a big finder's fee for 4 million Bitcoin right now. That's a nice amount of money. But they're basically lost in transactions. I would say lost in translations, but they're lost in transactions. Lost during transactions or something like that. I'm not sure. Now, let's take a look at the specs on Bitcoin real fast. Market cap. Total market cap, $160 billion right now. Total market, percentage of total market, 53%. Updated 3 minutes ago. Up 37% in the last 30 days. Up 19% in the last 7 days. Bitcoin will be a safe haven during the next stock market crash. Yeah. Let's look at the chart real quick. This is the USD index for Bitcoin. Some people like to call it the liquid index. So this is the actual true price of Bitcoin is 9,975. I wonder if I go to the resources, analysis, coin facts and figures. Okay, first USD price per coin, USD 135. Wow, that's what's on record. What is the total supply? That's 21 million, guys. If you ever come to this site, this is Coin Checkup. If you ever come here, you'll see this here under Coin Facts. Google search trends. It's going up. It's going up. It's going up. These are the markets that are actually searching. This is like all of America. All of this North America is in there. Canada, all of them. But look at Africa. Only certain areas in Africa. This is, I don't know what that is, so we don't worry about that. But all of Europe, Russia, okay, Sweden, Australia, South Africa, Kenya, Saudi Arabia, Iran, India, Turkey, France, Algeria, Nigeria, Ghana, Spain, Mexico, Brazil. Pretty much the whole world is hitting search results on this, okay? Except for, what's this? China? That's crazy, man. Alright, anyways. Whew, that's crazy. Oh, sorry for China. North Korea, probably too, no? Alright, let's get back to where we're going. Checking out Decreed. It's got a good purpose for every coin. You can actually check out the purpose for every coin. So let's get back to the market. Let's go check out Decreed. I'm trying to make this video as fast as I can, but I'm kind of new to this YouTube uploading thing. So where did I go? Markets. Where's this Bittrex? Wow, I did not see Bittrex. They must have just added this. Okay, that's great. Now let's go check out the chart for Decreed. I know you guys are like, well, what's going on with Decreed? What is this? A 60-hour chart? 60 minutes? And that looks like, I mean, it's $65. That's what it's looking like. I'm actually trying to get a pullback going on for myself, but I can't even find a pullback. I don't think it's going to be one. I don't know. Let's go to the purpose. Okay. Here's the purpose. Proof of work, proof of stake. Both of them. Self-funded. Bottom-up decision-making. Open source. Multi-stakeholder. Open and progressive cryptocurrency. This thing is really thinking about balance the miners and the voters. So governance is focused on governance, and it's integrated into its blockchain. I think for the long term, it's written in Go. That's the computer language that Google developed. I mean, this thing is incredible. Thinking about where it's come from. The future of cryptocurrency. You guys can watch this video yourself, okay? Any party can submit future things. Blockchain forking has to be like voted on. They just fork this thing. It's ASIC resistance, and that stuff is very important. What I really want to cue in on is the amount of coins that this thing. So if I can find a way to get to coin facts and figures, right? What is the total coin supply? There's only going to be 5,739,251 coins minted ever. How many coins are out there? I don't know. Looking for that information right now as we speak. Let's see Google search trends. Let's who knows about this? Who's actually the whole world knows about this coin too. I did this for another coin, and I swear only America was on the chart. So it's interesting to see who knows about this coin. That's important. The coin, this has been around for 22 months. The coin age is 22 months. So it's less than a year, or a little bit less than a year. This company does present its complete financial statements. Boom, that's great. That's all I need to know. Other than that, I mean, this coin, if I can just figure out how many coins are actually in circulation, I forget how to find it. So I guess I got to go back here to the market. There's no real way to pull it up down there. Go down here to the decreed, and then look at total circulating supply, which is 6 million. I believe that's it. Circulation supply is I'm pretty sure they're probably, if that's the number 6,661,000, I'm pretty sure this thing is going to rise like to the moon, like it's kind of like Litecoin on steroids. That's a good way for me to just. That's a great analogy, right? Am I right? I mean, if you think about Litecoin and how long it took to get to 70, and Decreed is already at 70. These numbers are. Sometimes coin market cap is great for this. Just getting the real basic information. DCR, Decred. I say Decreed, but it's Decred. Circulating supply, total supply. All right, so it's good to see this really quickly. I mean, volume, You want to use two sites to get your information. That's what I do. Like, get a second opinion. You want to use two or three doctors to get an opinion. You just don't want one operating on you to make decisions based on one indicator. Okay, even in trading, you don't do that. You don't make a decision based on one or two indicators or three indicators. Moving average, I'm gonna just use moving averages only. No, you gotta use RSI. You gotta use MACD. You gotta use moving average crossovers. You gotta get the volume profile up. I'm gonna go into some more details about volume profile and how you can use it as a good support and resistance indicator. But I'm really based my trading on price action. That's why I just look at the chart and I look and determine where everybody's buying and selling and supporting and resisting things at, and then I just determine where I would like to get in. And it's always about time. If you have extreme patience, you would actually get in at better prices. And patience is a commodity. It's valuable, but it expires. Okay, so that's how tricky trading is. That's the best way I can describe trading. It's a commodity. I mean, it's like you gotta have patience. It's like really, it's you. It's not really no one else. Trading is all about you. It's not about the chart. It's about you and your patience to look at and see the price go up and down in relation to the other traders out there trading. And everyone wants to make a gain, so the patient part is kind of crazy because everybody's going to make a gain. That's what's driving the price back down. Maybe it's driving it up. You can make money on the market when it goes down. So it's going to go up and down. It has to, because people have to make money. So it has to make money on the way up and make money on the way down. So you can't ever say it's going to go up, but Bitcoin is just going up. It's got to go down. People got to make money, so it's got to go down. All right. You heard it here first. This is Crypto Trader. I'm not going to steer you wrong, because actually you're going to see exactly what I do to profit in this market. I'm going to try to post as much as I can, so stay tuned. Subscribe. Don't be shy. Subscribe, leave comments, ask questions. Some people have asked me questions about referral codes and for getting a Litecoin from Bitmain. I'm like, oh, wow, okay. I can't really give you a referral code to a company that resides in China. And to me, it's like already at a discount rate. But the problem with ordering any kind of product from China, especially Bitmain, they're all backed up and back ordered and just out of stock. So when you order, you're not going to get your miner until 3 months if you order direct. But you're going to get the best bang for your buck. I got mine for like $1,900. Okay, boom. You can get one right now on Amazon. Go there. I mean, go check it out. Buy an app. Miner L3 right now, $8,000 if you want to pay that much. I mean, someone has it. I should sell mine for $8,000 right now, but I'm not. I like accumulating Bitcoin. That's my whole thing. I'm accumulating Bitcoin over here, and I'd rather mine it than to trade it at the way it is. It's like my money doesn't move as fast as the market does, so it's better to. How can I just accumulate Bitcoin if my money don't move fast? The dollar is just losing value in comparison to Bitcoin. That's how. So how can I need more Bitcoin. How can I get? Okay, let's mine it. Just mine it. Put my money into a miner and just sit back and wait until it comes back. It will come back. 3 months return on investment is a typical time. Whether you do cloud mining or you buy a miner yourself, that's typical. Now, with the way Bitcoin is rising in price, that might come a lot faster. But if it's not giving you a return on the investment in 1 month, that's because you didn't get the app miner, or you didn't, you don't know what you're doing. I mean, some people can get a return on investment in 1 month. Man, I've seen people get a return on investment with a miner within three days, like with that D3 miner that's on Bitmain's website. But now they're barely getting $5 a day with that D3 miner. So if you would have got one as soon as they, released the first batch, okay, you would have cleaned up, and then you could have sold it again to some sucker out there who don't really, know what they're doing. that they buying D3s right now, and then you're not realizing, hey, but you know, I don't like calling people suckers, but you know, you're on the bad side of the trade, you're on the bad side of the deal. You're not a sucker. You just, all right, you're a sucker. I hate to say, I've been a sucker before too. I've been a sucker. Come on, you been a sucker. You gotta know your risk. If you're in this game, get your risk under. You can't control your risk. I mean, can you control risk? Risk control. You minimize the risk. Have you ever minimized your risk? Have you ever hedged your risk? Zero risk, no money. Okay, that's how that works. You want to be real scary? Don't go nowhere. Stay in your house. Don't put no money. You're gonna be bored, and no excitement, and no adventure. That's why this is called Coin Discovery. Now let's get back on topic. Let's get ready to go back over here. I'm gonna close this Coin Market Cap. Let's really. This is fun. This is the article I found about the 4 million Bitcoins lost forever. This is one way of saying lost them. Another dark said very lost. It's just funny. Nearly 4 million lost Bitcoins. A recent article in Fortune reported on a research study that was concluded by a blockchain analytics company regarding lost Bitcoins. The New York-based company Chain Analysis was founded in 2014 and specializes in blockchain analysis and the tracking of cryptocurrencies. Two of Chain Analysis' biggest clients include the IRS, okay, and Europol. Okay. In a study conducted by the blockchain forensics company, they arrived at the conclusion that 3.79 million Bitcoins have been lost forever. That is currently almost 22% of the circulating supply and has a current market value of $30 billion. The data is based. So this just basically means to me, hey, it's more shortage on Bitcoin, which means the price is even go even more parabolic for us. Okay, that's what's happening. All right, now done with that. Let's close this out. Let's go to the coin checkup now. Decreed. Let's go check out their website. All right, Decreed.org. Decreed is an ambitious digital currency. Download the wallet. I'm wondering if we're going to think about mining this Decreed stuff. But it is GPU. You can't mine it with an ASIC, so.
Decentralized self-ruling currency. Today's digital currencies don't scale and suffer from destructive hard forks. Hard forks can result in loss of investor funds. They also damage investor confidence and can lead to attacks. Decred was built to solve these problems. A hybrid proof-of-work, proof-of-stake system ensures that no group can master the flow of transactions or make changes without input from the community. Decred is the only decentralized self-ruling currency where everyone has a real voice. Decred gives participants the tools necessary to make decisions about the technical direction of the currency.
Vote.
All participants have a say in its future direction, budget, and which projects are developed and presented for vote. We believe that striking a balance between infrastructure owners and currency holders is the only way to build a robust currency, now and for the long term. Decred has shown resilience where others have failed, thanks to our modular platform that allows us to integrate new features without disrupting the service. Decred's transparency and scalability has not gone unnoticed. We've won accolades from fellow developers, industry experts, and the media.
This one has never had an ICO. That's the other thing that's really important. I don't really do ICOs, just for you guys, if you guys are wondering. I may put $35 or something just to get a 2,000 ICO tokens or something. I mean, just to wait to see if it even goes to $1. But I'll be immediately selling it.
We are the currency of choice for anyone who wants to take charge of their financial lives.
I don't really like them, I just know that they're all trying to
learn more about the future of finance at decred.org.
Get rich quick, I guess. I don't know what to call it, but it's important to understand that some of that stuff is going to surprise people, the ones that actually stay around and ones that don't. But Decred, I would put there underneath Bitcoin. I would put it directly underneath Litecoin. I would put it right around there where, right underneath Ethereum, because this thing is, it's not ICO at all. They're actually just trying to improve Bitcoin. Actually, I would say actual functioning of a true ledger system, a decentralized. I want to learn more about this. This is decentralized credit, huh? It's crazy. It's an interesting coin. I can't really just to act like it's not nothing. There's there's a voting system, stake coins like you can in BitConnect, so you get some sort of incentive for staking, which is some good old payment money. And then let's go here. I'm rambling, so I'm just thinking about where to go next. Let's go to the charts. All right, that's what I want to really do. That's what I like to do. So now, Bitcoin is at 9,677. That's Coinbase value. Litecoin is at 89.45. I'm happy Litecoin went over 88. Jesus. This is Decred. Litecoin is at $89.15. Yes! Even though I'm just using $200. You guys saw my previous video. I'm going to take 200. I'm probably going to take another 200. And I'm going to see how many successful trades I can, and how fast I can build that $200 up. I'm just document it and just see what happens. I think I need another $200 because I'm looking at the percentages right here, and I want to trade a different market at the same time, like Decred. I'm really want to get a Decred, but I don't want to take my money from Litecoin and put it in Decred. I've done that before, and I lost. I'm always losing out because the market will move right when you take it out, or right when you think it's not going to go nowhere. Just like I had Potcoin. I did that with Potcoin. Man, if I go to Potcoin, oh man, this thing went. And this was my target. I took it out though. Excuse me. Took it out though. I don't even know what the percentage was. These are day charts, so let's go into the hour chart. Look at it. I was in over here. Here's where I was in at over here. What day was this? The 9th? Okay. All right, the 9th. Right here, boom. The 10th, okay? And this is my projection line right here. Because I know it's going there. I know it's going there. But did I have the patience? Let's see. Did I have the patience? Let me blow this up a little bit bigger. For everyone eyes can see. All right, let me just go there. How about that? Boom! Look at that. What in the? Why would it just go up like that on this day? What day is that? The 20th. Okay. So from the 10th to 10 days later, it hits my target of 300%. And I had $1,000 in right here at this price. Now we all know 300% is 3 times $1,000. That's profit. So I would have pulled away with $3,000 if I would have just waited. But my target was in the wrong place. Though. I was off. I would have to go down a little bit more, like down there. But let's keep going. Did it go back up there again? Nope. Do you think it's going to go back up there? Or is it going to go back right here? I can make a bet it's going to go right here. Who wants to bet me? I can take your money. They should have something like that where you can actually bet. And then you make a smart contract so that way if you win, you get the money and you don't have to worry about the dude running off and not paying. You know what I'm saying? Called Betcoin. Bet that. All right. Somebody's hearing me. Some smart dude's going to develop it. Watch. I'm going to be like, man, come on, you got to pay me. I put it on down on YouTube first. That's my proof of concept right there. YouTube video. Today, what's today? 26th November. Okay. Anyways. Too much work. Not enough time. This is not being patient. Now, I could have probably kept my coin and made this percentage right here, which is okay. I could have took profit right there, but I couldn't hold out. It was a lot of money, that I wanted to redeploy elsewhere. I don't really, that's how much I can afford to lose, so I don't really do anything else but that one. Now, right now, I'm going to go into Decree. Let's take a look at it. It's our chart. I'm drawing things on there. Let's go into the day chart. It looks really good on the day chart. This thing is Litecoin on steroids. Okay? I mean, look how this thing moves. From this low resistance area down here at $18. What's right here? Let's get to some recent days. One, two. Now I put this here so you guys can see the top right here that it broke through. This is one of the resistance areas that I've been looking at for it to come back. If it comes back here, I'm buying. Am I prepared to buy? No. Well, maybe. I gotta put $200 in here and do something with it. So I'm not even. That's what I mean. My money doesn't move that fast. And if I wanted to move that fast, they start charging all these ridiculous fees. I mean, and then if I just want to move money from my bank account into Coinbase, it takes 5 days. Yeah, 5 days, really. So December 5th is the day that they said I would actually be able to access my money if I were to move it. Man, no. I just said forget that. 40.03. Right? To 65. That's a nice move in what, 1, 2, 3, 4 days. 5, 6, 7. What was that? $35. Okay, 7 days ago. No one was paying attention except people who know about Litecoin. I kind of didn't expect this to move like this. I think this thing has the potential to move past Litecoin. Even the creator of Litecoin has done what you call a atomic swap with Decree. He backs it up. He likes it. There's a lot of things about Decree. So that's my analysis for this new coin. And sorry it took me 35 minutes to get this out on the table. But you guys have a nice night. And I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it helps you out. My next video, I'm going to be talking about what I did do instead of with the money that would have taken me 5 days to deploy into the crypto market from the bank account. And that is, I bought some mining hashing power on Hashflare. Yes, I did. Alright guys, I'm out.